In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. If you're thinking about taking a break from social media or leaving Facebook for good, this step-by-step guide will help you do it the right way. Before we start, just a quick heads up. Once you permanently delete your account, all your data, including photos, messages, and posts, will be gone forever. So if you want to keep anything, make sure to download your data first. All right. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap this three-line icon at the top left corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. From here, look for the option called Account Center and tap on it. Now click on Manage Accounts. Now go to this Manage option. Next, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now, select the profile you want to delete. Now click here and tap on Continue. Now select one reason from here. Tap on Continue. Facebook will show you some options like deactivating instead of deleting. Just scroll down and tap on Continue to Account Deletion. You may be asked to enter your password for security. Just type your password and continue. Now tap on Delete Profile. And that's it. Your account deletion request has been submitted. Now here's something important. Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period. If you log back into your account within those 30 days, the deletion will be canceled automatically. But if you don't log in, your account will be permanently deleted after that. So yeah, that's how you can permanently delete your Facebook account easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.